So I bring them hell. I bring them hell. I made it out myself, locked away with Beelzebub, motherfucker living well. So I pursue to bring them hell. I bring them hell. I bring them hell. So I pursue to bring them fucking hell. Yeah, I made it out myself. My freedom never been so sweet. A motherfucker on the streets, I stay packing the heat. And you know you can't fuck around with me because the motherfucker banging that XV3. And you know what the fuck that means? That means you DIE. If you cross my fucking path, then you motherfuckers know that I don't give a fuck. I don't ask. I just blast. I put these fucking levels in the past, and you know I whoop that fucking ass if I ain't strapped. But you know there's a fat chance. You motherfuckers know I'll still turn out your lamps. And why the fuck you wanna take on the champ? Look me in the fucking face, fool, now you understand. I'm a motherfucking Diablo straight from the wicked lands. Lucky Luciano aka Mr. Nightmare. Fuck around, I got my pistols in the air. You don't dare cause you motherfuckers scared. Chavalas. So I pursue to bring them hell. I made it out my motherfucking cell. I bring them hell. Yeah, I'm living fucking well. I made it out myself, so I pursue to bring them hell. Hell. You know what time it is? Motherfucker, we ain't no fucking little kids. The game's on another level. Catch up with me on the devil. If not, you'll see me turn into the devil. And I'ma swallow your soul. I'll take you down to Beelzebub so that you know that a motherfucker like me is in control. It's not impossible. I'll make the fucking shit happen. You know me? I'll be laughing. The motherfuckers see me. They wanna start asking the fucking questions. Got the Smith & Wesson. I'ma teach them motherfuckers a lesson. Why the fuck you wanna fuck around with the best when you know that we be the only wicked fucking set in this whole mess that we call the streets? I give a fuck what you thinking, man. Fuck what you think. Yeah, you know what I mean. I put you in the ground where you sink. And ain't no coming back from that motherfucker. And you know that I bring everything that I need always in my hands. Lucky Luke coming out that wicked land. I'm the fool, nobody understand, nobody wanna play, nobody come my way because they know I am the life today. So I bring them hell. I bring them hell. I made it out myself, I'm living well. And so I pursue to bring them hell. Bring them hell. Then you know what time it is. You motherfuckers be acting like little fucking bitches. I'm after jewels and riches. I give a fuck about leaving you in stitches. I'd rather blow your whole brains out. You know what the fuck time it is. You know what the fuck I'm about. It's murder in the first degree. Who that's always after me, and I don't give a fuck. It's a straight up disaster, don't you see? And so I push it to the motherfucking limit. I don't stop until I'm finished. And you know you get diminished if you try to cross. Get fucking lost. What you thought that you was gonna have the upper hand against me, motherfuckers know that there ain't no motherfucking survivors behind. I'm up in that 509 and I'm not ready to do some more time, and so I don't press rewind, I go fast forward and the motherfuckers know and will fuck around with me and I'ma take out my sword, chop a motherfucker's dome off. Yeah, there goes your cabeza. I'll sit back and drink cerveza while you motherfuckers bleeding to death. Why you wanna fuck around? Take your last breath, take your last step. Coming out the wicked west. Can't fuck around with this. You bitches just nothing but motherfucking scandalous. You can't handle this. You motherfuckers already know that you fucking come through and it's the end of your life, and then I will do what the fuck I gotta do. I'm always on the fucking move. Levas.